So my dash cams record at all times, even when the car's parked. I went to a movie, and this here is the manager of the movie theater. And when I went inside, he had mentioned how much he liked the car. One thing I didn't know is that during the movie, he went out to take a good look at her and get a few pictures. After the movie, he told me about it. So when I was getting ready to leave, he asked if I could swing around front and rev the car up a little bit for him. So I obliged, but I did just a little bit more than just rev her up. Here's what happened.
Parking mode off.
It is a beautiful day right now, 53 degrees. Talked about it before. I love boost weather. It is nice. So I got a little bit of time to kill. I wanted to stop by a place that I like to, whenever I drive by, I want to stop here. It's called Maple Motors in Hendersonville, Tennessee. They specialize in classic cars. We're coming up on Maple Motors. It's up here on the left. Again, Maple Motors, Hendersonville, Tennessee. I wonder if that's a customer or if it's a car that they're selling. Looks like there might be a Bullet Mustang there. Oh. There's the Mach 1 with the 351 Cleveland. I like this one a lot. I think I'll take this one home. That's definitely the one. Except I drove here in it, so yeah, here's that Mach 1. $1969. They've got a Shelby snake on the, well, actually on the shifter and on the steering wheel. So this one's a 1970 true Mach 1. There you go, 35,900 for 69, or 32,900 for 70. They're not short on Camaros today. A couple ragtop Camaros looking real good. And they've got a Bullet here. It's got the dealer plates on it, so obviously it's something they're going to be selling. Well, if you saw this one and wanted it, it is already sold. Gold Z28, that's a nice example, 12,900. This Z28 is sold. But if you happen to want a somewhat bandit look-alike car, you can get one for just under 18. '70 Chevy C10. So they usually stick some of their new inventory or lower price inventory back here in the back. The only thing this one is missing is the trailer, and I don't mean to haul it. I'm talking about the mobile home. Nice convertible Stingray for a T-top. Under $13,000. This one looks pretty nice. Nick. I'll be honest with you, this inventory looks great, but it's actually a lower inventory than I'm used to. They don't keep cars for very long. And this one's already sold, 1965. Beautiful inside and out. You won't be able to tell on this video, but this Impala has a beautiful, beautiful paint job. I mean, this paint job looks as good as my Shelby. Convertible GTO, and it's sold. Well, that's Maple Motors in Hendersonville, Tennessee. This is not a paid endorsement. It's just a place I like to come and check out anytime I'm going by. I guess now I'm going to hit the road. Until next time, keep it between the lines and record everything.